Have you ever wondered why we say, I had finished, instead of I finished, in some contexts? What is the difference between these two past tenses, and when should we use each one? Well, welcome. Today, we delve into the intricacies of the English language and explore the distinction between the past simple and the past perfect. Picture a timeline of your life, the past. Simple is like a dot on this timeline. It represents a single, completed action that happened at a specific time in the past. You might say, I ate dinner at 7 yesterday, or I finished the project. These sentences are brief, clear, and factual. They tell us precisely when something occurred, with no extra frills attached. Now imagine a second dot that took place before the first one. This is where the past perfect comes into play. It's like a dot behind a dot on your life timeline, an action that was completed before another action in the past. For example, you might say, I had already eaten when he called, or I had finished the project before the deadline. These sentences add a layer of complexity, providing a sense of sequence and context for past events. The past. Perfect often sets a background scenario for another action. For instance, after I had finished the project, I went to sleep. This sentence tells us not only what you did, but also what happened afterward. It paints a more vivid picture, creating a narrative from your past actions. To put it simply, use the past. Simple for isolated past actions. It's like a snapshot of a moment in time. On the other hand, use the past perfect to link a past action to another past moment. It's like a movie that shows the progression from one event to another. In summary, while the past. Simple and past perfect may seem similar, they serve different purposes in our language. The past simple is straightforward and factual, telling us exactly when something happened. The past perfect, however, adds depth and context, showing us not just what happened, but how events related to each other. So the next time you find yourself recounting a story from your past, think about which tense to use. Will you use the past simple to state the facts, or the past perfect to weave a more intricate narrative? The choice, as always, is yours. Happy storytelling.